Yo, what is up, guys? Oh! Okay. Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy, Gmod Player 707-625 Pussy Slayer. Some call me. Anyway, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be having the Taco Bell chicken sandwich taco thing. So let's get right into the review. We got our T-Bell bag that's served in this for some reason. All right, here's a soft taco. You know, sheesh. You know, as the kids would say, one quesadilla. This little baseball right here, I guess, is our chicken taco. This. Bro, what the actual fuck, though? Yo, this looks sick. Wait, hang on. Okay. Not the cleanest. So I'll have a bite without anything. With just you know, the chicken, the sauce, the breading. So yeah. I mean, it's whoa, that's got a kick to it. It's not terrible, but it's not terrible, but it's pretty good. You know, would I order this every time? Probably not. Hang on, putting on all the sauce pack on this first bite. Alright, well guys, that's it. That's the video. Thank you. Oh.